We've seen a lot of dog videos enjoying the snow, but what about cats? This guy seems to be really enjoying himself. Let's make the jump. Boom! And he makes it. Yeah. Brooklyn cats don't care about no snow. Snow cat, jump up, jump, jump, jump. Yeah. Snow cat, snow cat. Look at this. 20 inches, he don't care. Snow cat, Brooklyn snow cat. Hey, I want to be outside. Look how much fun he's having. Jump, get up there, you can do it. Ugh. Oh look, our amazing neighbor built a cat hut to protect the cats from the snow. See, there are decent people in this world.